Azerables. I'm visiting Gawie and Magriet Rossouw. We've been here before, so I'll be spending a little time with them before I go on to the next adventure and show you what new project is coming up. Well, this is their view, and this is really rural Creuse, the department of Creuse. And there you can see some of the outbuildings. And next door, they also own the house next door, which is a guest house. And in the background, you can see the church, which is just opposite the house. But it's quite chilly, so let's go inside. I thought I would like to show you what Gawie and Magriet have done with the loft room. They changed it completely, and the loft is now quite livable. So they put in their bedroom, the main bedroom, upstairs in the loft, and the rest of the loft they changed into a wonderful space with a TV room, study, etc., and a little dining room. So let me go up and then I'll show you what it looks like. A lot of stairs to climb. Right, we're almost there. There we are. Okay, here we are in the loft room, and Gawie is going to show us what it used to look like before. Okay, Gawie, so that is where I came in now.
That's the entrance.
Entrance, and that is what it looks like now. Okay. The little kitchenette. Okay. And that's the door, yeah. Right, where we came in. Okay.
That's the window.
Okay. That's this window. Okay.
That's the corner. So we built this wall behind me.
Right. Okay, so you put in a wall here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and that part is now?
That is now the bedroom.
Ah, okay.
Behind the wall.
Okay, so let's go and have a look at what it looks like now.
Look at this area.
Ah, yes.
This is the bedroom.
Okay.
So behind this wall is that window.
Yes. Okay, and then you've got your bathroom here, en suite. Yeah, that's incredible. I didn't know you had a bathroom up here.
Yeah, it's a full bathroom.
Stunning, with a shower and a bath, and you've got a...
And then next to the okay,
so then
stairs,
you've got
we've got the toilet.
toilet as well. Stunning. Okay.
And that's now to the left. No, it's not to the left. It's
Oh, that was an early photo.
very and very cold.
Ay, ay, ay.
You see the
Oh, yeah.
work. So that picture you've got is this area
Yeah.
that you see now.
With your little TV lounge.
Yeah.
Stunning. Okay.
Yeah. So if you look at that area, that's the back again.
Oh.
You just see, and that's how it,
Okay.
after the plasterboard.
And the wall was put in.
This
yeah.
wall,
Yeah.
between us and there you can see the bath.
Yeah. Stunning. Okay.
Going out the door again.
And there's
And
Magriet.
lots of 37 steps to get here.
37.
37 steps.
Okay,
Keeps
so
us fit.
are we going to eat again then?
We'll have to.
It's out of the stairs to the cellar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's
It's only
12
there's 2
more,
floors.
12 more
Sure.
steps down to the cellar. Yeah.
So that is why Gawie and Magriet are very, very fit.
Keep us young.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Okay.
Right, we are here in Gawie and Magriet's kitchen and we are preparing for lunch. And Gawie, you were the chef.
He's
Not
for the
completely.
soup. He's the chef for the
Okay.
soup and
So
for the
Gawie made
dessert.
us a wonderful soup, an Indian soup.
Soup, yeah.
Dal.
Dal. Okay.
Lenses.
Okay. What is lenses in English?
Lentils.
Lentils. Lentil soup. Okay. Okay, the soup was made with pink lentils, and the secret is obviously a slice of lemon at the bottom, and when you press that it gives off that lemon flavor in the soup. Absolutely divine. So for dessert, we are going to have Gawi's version of his grandmother's recipe for a very traditional South African dessert, and that is roly-poly.
Makes really poorly from you if you eat too much.
Stairs to climb.